Okay, we're on page 539 in our textbook. Whoops, I need my line down the side of my page. Where'd my Sharpie go? There it is, there it is. I'm going to draw with my Sharpie. Totally cool, makes a cool black line. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Goodness, I can hear those teachers next door. They're having a party or something. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's a controversy. So number 11 in our book, page 539. Let's take a peek, see at this problem here. It says add or subtract and then state restrictions. Add or subtract state restrictions. And the problem is 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2x. And you already have a common denominator. Go ahead and try that. It is simple. Okay, we're back. Okay, when we add fractions, let's add our numerators together. And keep the denominator the same. And this will reduce to 1 over x. The restriction on x is that x can't be 0. The denominator can't be 0, and the denominator is just x. Let's try number 21. Number 21. 2x over x squared minus x minus 2 minus 4x over x squared minus 3x plus 2. The first thing you're going to do is factor that out. Go ahead and try that. Okay, we're back. Let's start by factoring our denominators. So 2x over that'll be x minus 2 and x plus 1. I'm going to leave some room here. Minus 4x over, let me see here, x minus 2 and x minus 1. Now to find a common denominator, I have to multiply by what it doesn't have, okay? So they both have an x minus 2, but this fraction has an x minus 1. So let's multiply this fraction by x minus 1. And this fraction over here has an x minus 2 and an x minus 1. It needs an x plus 1. Okay, go ahead and FOIL out or distribute those numerators and combine like terms. Okay, our common denominator is both of those. Okay, these are the same, even though the terms are in a slightly different order, even though the factors, should I say. This was 2x squared minus 2x, okay? Negative 4x, so negative 4x squared minus 4x. So when I combine those together, negative 2x squared, and then negative 2x minus 4x minus 6x. Now be careful that you could actually have another factor that cancels, but that's not going to happen here. You could factor out a negative 2x, but that will give you an x plus 3, and that doesn't cancel with anything. So just take a quick peek so you don't have to actually do it if nothing cancels out. One more example. Number 26. Simplify. 1 over 1 plus x over y. Well, the common denominator of everything is just the one denominator you have of the three terms. So you have those three terms there. What is the common denominator? And multiply it. Go ahead and try that. Okay, the common denominator of everything is just y. That's your only denominator. So multiply by y. And when you distribute, you'll get rid of the fractions. So y times 1 is y. And by the fractions, I mean the additional fractions. Y times 1 is y. Y times x over y, the y's cancel out. So that is your final answer. Do your 3 questions. And your homework. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Bon appetit. Mucho gusto.